This is part 3. In this video, I will explain 3 more lessons grammar. The Lord who became a blacksmith part 2, 16th lesson is there, no? Yes, that lesson grammar. See here. Fill in the blanks. Complete the following statements means fill in the blanks. They began dash the iron and fogging it again. They began heating the iron and fogging it again. Next, the farmer led the iron to the storeroom. The farmer led the load to the storeroom. Next, off-road the farmer and the lord to get what he had earned. The Lord dashed it well and threw it in the tub of water. The Lord heated it well and threw it in the tub of water. The Lord dash want the coachman to know the shame. The Lord did not want the coachman to know the shame. Now coming to who said to whom. Who said to whom? Oh, all right then. Who said? Farmer. To whom? Lord. Oh, all right then. Who said? Farmer. To whom? Lord. It's a fine seas. Who said? Lord. To whom? Farmer. Next, I will take the sack and go into the storeroom myself. I will take the sack and go into the storeroom myself. Who said? Lord. To whom? Coachman. Okay, children, no need this one pictures is there, no, that one no need. Next, turn the page. 5th Roman. Read the following sentences and write the possessive determiner in the blank place given against each. అంటే ఇక్కడ ఇచ్చిందాన్ని మనము మళ్ళీ రాయాలన్నమాట. This is my pencil. This is my pencil. In these sentences, what is the possessive determiner? My. This is our house. Our. This is your book. Your. This is his bag. His. He. This is her doll. Her. These are their cows. Their. This is my pencil. My. This is our house. Our. This is your book. Your. This is his bag. His. This is her doll. Her. These are their cows. Their. Okay. Up to here in this lesson, what I told, fill in the blanks. Who said to whom, and read the following sentence to write the possessive determiner. These 3 Romans have to read in this lesson. 18th lesson, the old man who came back to life lesson is there, no? The old man who came back to life, that lesson. First of all, tick the correct answers. The sage said to the old man, you will know your death has come. నీకు నీ డెత్ తెలుస్తుంది అన్నారు. ఎలా తెలుస్తుంది అని చెప్పాడు? When you have fallen 3 times, when you have coughed 3 times, when you have sneezed 3 times. ఏమని చెప్పాడన్నా? Yes, 3 times తుమ్మితే కదా మనకి చనిపోతారని చెప్పింది. సో when you have sneezed 3 times. This is the answer. Next, the old man lay there as he was afraid of death. He thought he has died. He did not want to sneeze again. What is the which one among these 3 choosings? Which one is the correct one? Yes, he thought he had died. He thought he had died. తను చనిపోయానని అనుకుంటాడనమాట. నెక్స్ట్, కమింగ్ టు ద సి బిట్. ద ఓల్డ్ మ్యాన్ ఆస్క్డ్ ద మిల్లర్ టు draw away the cows, whip him, take his sack. What is the correct one here? Draw away the cows. Next, coming to the second Roman. Complete the following sentences. Complete the following sentences. The farmer went out to dash a sage and asked him how many years more he would live. ఏమన్నాడు అడిగాడనా? నేను ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ బతుకుతానని వెళ్ళి అడిగాడు కదా. Now see here. The farmer went out to see a sage. Went out to see a sage and asked him how many years more he would live. ఇంకా ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ ఉంటారని అడిగాడు. నెక్స్ట్, all the way he was thinking how to prevent sneezing. All the way he was thinking how to prevent sneezing. ఎలా తుమ్ములు ఆపడం అనేది థింక్ చేస్తూ ఉన్నాడు అనమాట. He tried not to, but he could not dash himself. He tried not to, but he could not dash himself. He could not stop himself. Next, the dust there got into his dash and he sneezed again. The dust there got into his nose and he sneezed again. Dust మొత్తం nose ని fill అవడం వల్ల తను మళ్ళీ sneeze చేశాడనమాట. He took a whip and drove the cows away. He took the whip and drove the cows away. Now see here. Singular plurals are there, no? This one also I have to read. Write the plurals of these words. Child, children, hoof, hoofs, ox, oxen, bus, buses, loof, loofs, life, lives, watch, watches, donkey, donkeys, city, cities. Next, fifth one. Fill in the blanks using the above relative pronouns. Relative pronouns here we have to use. Which words are there here? Relative pronouns who and which. By using these two words we have to fill the blank. There was a farmer dash had many children. There was a farmer who had many children. Who had many children. Next. This is the boy who is to blame. This is the boy who is to blame. The book dash my father gave me is good. The book which my father gave me is good. The book which my father gave me is good. The lion dash is the cage is very strong. The lion which is in the cage is very strong. Next, opposite words. See here. Tick words from the following to which can we add prefix dis and రాసేవానికి ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయో చూడండి. 39 పేజ్ dis and రాసేది. Disagree, disbelieve, discolor. These are the opposite words. Now here Robinson Crusoe lesson number, see children, lesson number 20, Robinson Crusoe lesson, textbook grammar, worksheet 20. Tick the correct answers. First one is the tick the correct answers. Robinson Crusoe ran away from home because he wanted to become, what he want to become? He want to become a sailor. Robinson Crusoe ran away. Robinson Crusoe ran away from home because he want to become a sailor. Next, the ship was destroyed by a storm. The ship was destroyed by a storm. Robinson Crusoe was carried to the shore of an island by a wave. Em తీసుకొని వచ్చింది by a wave. Friday started learning. Em language నేర్చుకున్నాను Friday? Very good. English. Friday started learning English. Next, coming to the fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Robinson Crusoe was dash in England in the year 1632. Robinson Crusoe was born in the year, which year in England in the year 1632. There was a stream of fresh water quite close by. అంటే వాళ్ళ క్లోజ్ గా ఏమున్నాయంటే ఫ్రెష్ వాటర్ ఉన్నాయి దగ్గరలో. There was a stream of fresh water quite close by. One fine day, a boat full of savages landed on his island. One day, a boat full of savages landed on his island. Gradually, Friday learned English. Gradually, Friday learned English. Crusoe was happy to see his countryman. Crusoe was happy to see his countryman. Next, rearrange the words to make the correct sentences. If exam lo unnayana ఖచ్చితంగా మీరు నేర్చుకోవాలి వీటిని. Rearrange the words to make correct sentences. ఇక్కడ పిచ్చిగా జంబ్లింగ్ గా ఇచ్చారు. ఆ కరెక్ట్ సెంటెన్స్ ని మీరు ఫామ్ చేసి రాయాలి. His ship going to was one day Africa. His ship going to was one day Africa. What is the correct sentence here? One day the ship was going to Africa. One day the ship was going to Africa. Next, saving his life God he thanked for. Saving his life God he thanked for. He thanked God for saving his life. He thanked God for saving his life. Next, see bit. 2. He thinks these alive needed stay. 2. He thinks these alive needed stay. What is the correct sentence here? He needed these things to stay alive. He needed these things to stay alive. Next. Could I land he around his now sail? Could I land he around his now sail? He could now sail around his island. He could now sail around his island. In this lesson, what I told Nana, tick the correct answers, fill in the blanks and rearrange the words to make the correct sentences. These three are there. Okay children, must I should watch the video. ఇచ్చిన 3 వీడియోస్ని మీరు కరెక్ట్గా చూసి ఏమైతే చెప్పానో అవి ఎగ్జామ్కి ప్రాక్టీస్ చేయండి. ఓకేనా? ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్ ఫర్ యువర్ SA2 ఎగ్జామ్. స్టే సేఫ్, స్టే హోమ్.